go in and check it out. I've already been in, so let's see. I like the floors, they're pretty good here. They look like they're not too bad. You can tell this obviously building's been around a little while, so we're gonna do a little room review, and we're gonna do a review of the property as a whole. There's not much property other than the rooms itself though, so property manager seems like a good guy. He said, you know, he's got his own personal number on the information. You could call him up if things go wrong, anything. Got plenty of room if you want to use those drawers. There's 6 standard 42-inch TV. You got your picture and your nice size light. Pretty basic table. You know, plenty of room you want to put down and watch, get on the internet or something like that. Your laptop. Got a good size mini fridge. Got a microwave. Got your coffee maker and some coffee. A few cups. I don't know if there's an ice machine anywhere around. I'm guessing not because I don't see anything for ice. Little sink area right here. Trash can. Mirror. Check out the bathrooms. Bathroom here. Like I said, you can tell it's not the newest and most modern. This room ran for $149 a night. And that's on the weekend. I did notice that it's around those prices, between $129 and $49 weekends. During the week, you usually get a rate of around $79 or to $89 a night. Most people are going to come up to visit on weekend stays or conferences or things like that to have a good time for the weekend and see the town. So during the week, if you want to go and you're close enough to do it, I would probably recommend that cheaper rate. The best thing about it is going to be the location, which we're going to go out and see in just a moment. The area is tremendous too. It's a really pretty area. It's like right outside of where the hotel is when you're walking out. And just so you see the bridge right here in the middle of beautiful Helen right here, small town. So yeah, the hotel's right off of here. So you come out to the main drag on the bridge and you turn, make a left, and you go down that little road. Pretty much most of the things are going to be either to the left or to the right of that bridge. Very small town, but very beautiful town, worth visiting. The hotel itself, a very basic property, basic rooms. I give it a 7 out of 10, but on the location, definitely a 10. You can get married right there. And folks, this is going to be your view coming into the Alpine Village Inn. Very basic place, but really cool designs, very German-like. So let's give you a real German feel from a German feel town indeed. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace! And Germany. Lots and lots of Germany. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community.